Here's a 2011 Chevrolet Impala. The exterior is akin to an athlete in a well-tailored suit. Perfect lines that show off the strength beneath. Inside, the perfect fit continues with room for 5 and everything you need to take with you. It's well equipped with the features you need: AM/FM XM satellite radio, remote engine start, dual zone climate control, Bluetooth, leather steering wheel, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and V6 engine. Of the Impala, Cars.com reports, so-called quiet steel at the firewall, a soundproofing dash mat, and thicker glass helps keep out unwanted noise. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. Take it for a test drive today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.